I'm Patricia Fleischacker, and I would love to tell you about my 93-year-old father. He has had several severe injuries to the neck, the shoulders, the back over the years, several falls this year. And he shuffled, he was with a cane, on a walker, still shuffling, bent over quite a bit because of the past injuries. And about maybe 3 weeks ago, he got stem cell therapy. But the amazing thing is, it started working within 3 days. He no longer shuffled. He immediately started lifting his feet to walk. He had jammed his shoulders because of several falls and could not raise his arms enough to even shampoo his own hair or get the fork to his mouth. And within 3 days, he was getting the fork where it should be, and smiling a lot more, although he's a happy fella anyway, and things have just been great. And he's insists on living at home, even though he's 93, and I know stem cell therapy will help him reach his goal of staying at home.
Anyone that was, let's say, that's at my stem cell seminar, and let's just say they're 50 or 60 or 70 or 80, your dad's 93, what would you say to them about stem cells, and what would be your recommendation?
Oh, don't put it off. I mean, if it can do this for my dad at his age and with his injuries, it will help anyone. Okay,
well, thank you very much. And this is the young man that she's talking about right here. So introduce yourself and tell everybody what was going on.
I'm Hollis Powell.
How old are you, Mr. Powell? How young are you?
Well, I'll be 93 next month.
All right. And what's the biggest difference that you've seen in your life getting these stem cell injections?
Well, I get about better. I hold up a little straighter, and I feel better.
But that's the main thing. That's the most important thing, yeah. I think. And what about combing your hair and eating and all that? Yeah. What's been different there?
Well, I couldn't raise my hands to comb my hair or shampoo my hair. I just couldn't get my hands up to my head.
Okay.
Open your eyes, Dad.
He's concentrating on what to say. Yeah. So, and I'll ask you the same thing that I asked your daughter. I mean, you're 93 years young, or you will be next month. What would you say to anybody that's at my stem cell seminars that's 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90? Well, I mean, what would you tell them about stem cells? What would you recommend?
I recommend you get it because what it done for me, I'm quite sure it will help you.
Okay, and then tell me the one thing, Patricia, that was hilarious. You remember what you told me about your dad on the way? What did he say?
The day he got his stem cell therapy, we were on the way home, and I said, Dad, now, it's going to take 2 or 3 weeks, they say, to kick in. And he said, heck, I already feel 90 again.
I think everybody could stand a little bit of that if we could go back just 3 years and feel that. I want to thank y'all very much, and you just don't know how many lives you changed by this video. Thank y'all.
You've certainly changed my dad's life.
Thank you.